Hey everybody, I'm back again. All right, this time for Come On In, We're Cooking, we're going to do my favorite chocolate cake. It is made with Miracle Whip. I know, seems strange. I thought so too when I was a kid, but it is the moistest cake you'll ever find, and it keeps, as long as you keep it covered, it will keep on your counter for a week. That said, if you have kids or husbands or anybody with a sweet tooth, it likely won't last that long. So we're just gonna go ahead and get this started. So first of all, we need a cup of Miracle Whip, and I'm going to put it in here. No, I'm not. Sorry, changing my mind. So actually what I'm going to do first is I'm going to do the flour, just so I get the flour out of the way, and then we'll do the Miracle Whip. I haven't really had a problem with this cake as far as, you know, do you have to put everything in a certain order? I've just put it together and haven't had a problem. As I say, when I bake though, I do make sure that my measurements are bang on. So that's 2 cups of flour. I have a recipe for this for a 9 by 13 and an 8 by 8. So tonight I'm just making an 8 by 8. So we need 1 cup of flour, or sorry, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar. I guess I don't know my sugar from my flour tonight. And now we're gonna do the Miracle Whip. Now I say Miracle Whip, you can use whatever mayonnaise that you prefer. I just have purchased Hellmann's, and I've noticed that there really isn't a difference to the Miracle Whip or Mayo, whatever mayonnaise that you're using. I have made this with the Hellmann's olive oil. Geez, I can't even talk. The olive oil, the mayo that's made with olive oil. So, you know, use whatever you've got in. Now we're going to need 2 tablespoons of Friar's cocoa. And as I say, I love this recipe. And then we need a half of a teaspoon of baking soda. And we need 1.5 of baking powder. And now I'm just going to turn my tap on for warm water. Because we need a cup of warm water. So while I'm waiting for that, I'm just going to start combining these ingredients. And then we'll add our cup of water. Now, I don't find that you need to ice this cake, but again, that's totally your preference as to what you want to do. So you see, without the water, it's not doing much. Well, it's taking my hot water a little bit longer than I expected to warm up. Oh, there we go. Oh, haven't done that better if I tried. 1 cup. Just pop that in. And then we're just going to slowly combine it all. So, you can make some comments with regards to whether or not you have your own favorite chocolate cake recipe that might have different ingredients. As I say, I grew up on this cake and it never lasted. Mom had to stop us from eating it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a whisk. I just want to make sure that everything is combined. And I'm going to grab a light whisk so that we don't, I want to keep it light. Just break up some of this so we have a nice smooth. And your oven needs to be at 325. Sorry, I can't let that go by. And so 325 for about 30 minutes. But what you also need to do is you need to line your pan with butter. Okay, so this is what you want. You want a nice, smooth, let me just tilt that. You want a nice, smooth mixture, all right? And so now what we're gonna do is I'm going to remove my flour from the counter so you guys can have a better look. And okay, so now what we're gonna do, I'll bring my pan over. So what I do is I just grab some butter. And you don't need a lot. This is probably even too much, but you just need to rub it all the way along the sides. And of course, it will melt in your hands because of the heat of your body. And just get that. And it should come right out or be easy to take out for sure. All right, let me just wash my hands. We'll get that batter in that cake and we'll get that in the oven. And I'm just going to check the temperature on my oven because it is actually just a bit too high. So I'm going to just turn it down for a sec while we do all this. I guess I didn't need that. All right, so now I'm just gonna take that back. All right, I don't know about you, but I like leaving a little bit behind if I can, but not really, because there's no kids here to lick the bowl but me or my husband, and that's not going to happen today. Wow, this almost looks like it might be too much for this pan, but I'm going to try it because I've done it in an 8x8 before. And I'm getting it all over myself. And now I've lost my kitchen cloth. All right. So I think what I might do, because I don't want this to take too long to cook, and I don't want it to, I'm gonna see about putting a little bit in this dish. So let me just get a little bit of butter. I guess with anything you have to just take things as they go, and so I wasn't expecting this, but I think this is too high because it's like 3/4 of the sides, and I think that's too much. It'll take too long and it might actually overflow. So rather than take that chance, found my dish rag, thank goodness. Not that it was lost, but just nice to know that I'm not losing my mind totally. All right, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do this, I hope the easy way. And I'm just gonna bake this right beside this cake. I think that's about right. That looks much better. All right, let's. Now, the only thing I'm gonna have to do now is just watch to make sure that this little cake doesn't cook faster than the other. And I'm going to scrape that down. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to put these in the oven, and I will come back with another video to show you what they look like done. All right, everybody, see you soon. Everybody, just showing you the chocolate cake now that it's out of the oven. And here it is. It's a little on the cool side at the moment, and it is sunken a little bit, but so I'm not sure what I did, but this is what it looks like. And you see it's already coming away because we buttered it quite nicely. And so yeah, so there's the chocolate cake. I hope you try it and enjoy it. See you next time on Come On In, We're Cooking.